Hi, today I'll be bringing you through my website, which is about bread. To start, simply click on Start Your Journey button, and the first thing you will see is probably the navigation bar, where you can click to jump to other pages. Going down, we also have this Explore website, where you can also jump to other pages if you don't feel like scrolling back to the top. As we go down, we have this thing called Carousel, where you can click on these two buttons to change the content. As for the footer, we have an Enter Full Screen mode and Exit Full Screen mode. Next to it is a QR code where you can scan to view this website from your phone. Back to top and let's head to other pages. For the history of bread, this page mainly talks about the history of bread, which how bread was discovered, the first bread ever, the discovery of yeast, bread spreads around the world, and bread today. Then let's head to the next page, which is about the types of bread. First look, it might seem plain and like boring. But when you click on these buttons here, ta-da! The images, the ingredients, and the recipe of the bread actually gets displayed on the right side. Interesting, isn't it? As for the quiz page, we have a bread catching game, in which you have to click on the game area to move the bucket and catch the bread. As you catch the bread, there will be an autoplay in the background, and once your point reaches 10, yup, there will be a console that pops out to remind you the game has ended. Now is the quiz. With what you have learned so far, yeah, just submit the quiz and check for your score. So that's all for my webpage. Hi, now I'll be introducing my website in another screen size, 800 pixel. So same, start your journey by clicking this button here. The first most obvious difference is that the navigation bar is now in the menu, where you can close and open by clicking on it. Going down, you'll realize that one of the image here has been removed. And as for the Explore the website, rather than one row, it has become two rows right now. If you look carefully, you will actually notice that the Exit Full Screen and Enter Full Screen is no longer in one column, but one row now. For the history page, nothing much, just that everything got into one column for now, due to insufficient space. And yep, that's all for this page. Back to top, and let's go to the types of bread. For the types of bread, rather than the 2x3 matrix, it is now in a 3x2 matrix with the recipe panel all the way at the bottom. And of course, it's still working well and perfectly fine. As for the games and quizzes page, although the game area got smaller, but it doesn't affect the gameplay. See? It's still working perfectly fine. And same, once it reaches 10 score, the game ends. And yup, you can do this quiz again and submit. So that's all for my webpage. Thank you.